So it's Ford Fiesta 2015. It's the ST, and the airbag light is on, as you can see. And the reason for this is the airbag is on due to the crash event, full lock, passenger side curtain as well. So we're going to try and reset everything, and hopefully this should. So this is a 2015 Ford Fiesta. So what we've got is the airbag light. Everything's fitted. We've sorted everything out. The only thing that we need to do is the crash data, which is here. However, using this machine, we have to go into service, and then we have to go into electrical, and then we have to go into service functions, and then parameter reset configurations. That's the bit that you'll need. This will reset the crash data, and you can only do it 5 times per unit. After that, you're gonna have to buy a new one. So yes, ignition is on. Okay, so it's sending signal, and then there we go. So as it's doing this, it's also reset on there. So we've done everything. Hopefully we're just going to wait for this to finish, and that should be it really. Okay, so it's telling us to switch it off. Here we go. Switch off. Press OK. That's it. Procedure done. And now if we go back in the car and switch it on, there we go. Everything should switch off. Happy days. All done.